Hello, children. I hope you all are living in the high spirits. Yeah? Okay, let's start our today's English topic. So, today's English topic for you is reading comprehension. You must have done this concept in your KG classes. So, we are going to do the same concept in this class but with a bit higher level. Okay, kids. Reading comprehension. Okay, we are going to start with reading comprehension. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is reading comprehension. Reading comprehension means a little story or a little passage or few lines will be given to you. You have to read those lines thoroughly. You have to read those lines again and again, and you have to comprehend those lines. Comprehend means to understand that what has been told in those lines or in that story or in that paragraph. Right now, here you can see a small paragraph or a story which we have to read and comprehend or understand about it. And once you read it and once you understand about it, then you have to do the questionnaire given below. Okay, here are the few questions which are asked from this paragraph only, and you have to take the right option as an answer, right? So let's get started. It is a very interesting story, I tell you. Let's read the heading first. Read the story, then answer the questions. Okay, so let's get started with the reading. My friend Tickles. I have a friend named Tickles. Now you have to read each line and you have to translate it to yourself. You have to understand the meaning of the line yourself. The first line says, I have a friend named Tickles. Tickles is very small. He has grey fur. Now you understood the story till here that I have a friend named Tickles. Tickles is very small and he has grey fur. It means it is an animal. Tickles has two round ears and a black nose. Two round ears and a black nose. Tickles has a long tail. Tickles' favorite food is cheese. Here, favorite spellings, you have to put you here, but you can learn to read it first. Tickles' favorite food is cheese. Tickles is afraid of cats. Afraid means to be scared of cats. Do you know what kind of animal Tickles is? So, did you understand the story? That I have a person is saying that I have a friend named Tickles, and it is very small, it has grey color fur, and it has two round ears and a black nose, and it has a long tail, and its favorite food is cheese. Tickle, it is afraid of cats. So can you guess the animal? So I think you have got good idea about the story. Now let's go through the questions that are given here. Question number 1 is tick the correct option. Question number 1 is what is my friend's name? Now three options are given: A, option B, option C. What is my friend's name? Now what is the name of the friend? Cheese, Tickles, or Black? Of course, the name of the friend is Tickles. So you will simply put a tick over here. Now let's move on to the second question. What is Tickles' favorite food? See the spelling of favorite here. What is Tickles' favorite food? Cheese, fur, or milk? What was Tickle's favorite food? You read it here. Let's read the lines again. Tickle's favorite food is cheese. So now here you can tick the correct option, cheese. So put a tick over here. Next one. Question number 3. What is the color of fur? What is the color of fur? White. Option B, black. Option C, grey. White, black or grey? What was the color of the fur? Grey. So we will tick over here. Now let's move on to question number 4. What kind of animal Tickle is? Which animal is Tickle? Is it a cat? Cat has a grey fur. Is it a mouse? Or is it a rabbit? Rabbit has white fur and mouse has grey fur. So which animal do you think is it? Yes, it is mouse. So we are going to tick here. Let's move on to the next question number 5. Find the opposite of big from the lines. Okay, now you have to find the opposite word of big. What is the opposite of big? What is opposite? Opposite means the word which tells completely the different meaning. Absolutely opposite of the particular word. For example, big. You have done opposite words already, right? Remember opposite? So you have to find the opposite of big from these lines. Let's read out the lines again. Opposite means big means very large. So let's see. I have a friend named Tickles. Tickles is very small. Oh, small means chota, big means bada. So here small is the opposite of big. So now let's see the options also. Opposite of big, long? No. Round? No. Because long also means big and round means which is circular in shape. Small? Yes. So we are going to take here, small. Okay, kids. So that's all for this reading comprehension. So this is the way we solve a reading comprehension. We have to read the given paragraph again and again to comprehend it or to understand it, and then do the following questions, right? Now what you have to do for today, you don't have to write this paragraph or story in your notebook. You will only copy down the questions and the right answer in your notebook. Don't copy down all the 3 options. Write the question and then write down the correct answer of that question. Okay, kids? That's all for today. Bye-bye. Take care.